When I am down and oh my soul so weary.
Okay, so we are on our way to the Volta region, and then this disabled man, I don't know how you see it. Oh God, he's been begging. We've been following him for some time now, and then oh God, let's see how we can help him. Let's see. Let's go. Okay. So let's see how we can help him. He's been begging more than 20 people ever since we started following. Oh God. So he's been begging. You see, he came here to beg these people. They couldn't find help for him. So, oh God, he's even tired. Okay, so let's see. It's okay. Let's see. It's okay. Park. Come on. Hey, go. That's that. That is it. You're frozen. What's your name?
I think I got my grandma. I go.
What did you? Nothing but so. What do you understand English? You understand? So do you stay here? You stay at Harvey? Second house. So where are you going now?
I'm going to Johnny.
You're going to Junction to buy. You are going to see whether if you get money to eat. How much you want? What?
Even my finger.
Even your what?
Even my finger.
I can't hear you. What's your name?
Even my finger.
Any money bigger?
Even my finger.
I can't get you well though, but we are also heading to Hohoi. We are going to Hohoi, alright? No, we are going to Hohoi, alright? Yes, I've been following you for some time now. I see you begging people for money. Yeah, it seems I don't have much on me, alright? But I have a little on me that I wanna give it to you, okay? Yeah, to eat. So just take this, alright? Yeah, keep it, alright? And then use it to buy food, alright? God will see you through, okay? Yes. I can see you very, very tired. No, this one break. What's the free at all? Ti koto biani di na home. Why? Nyame nka ho. What? Na dambe man is aso so. Oso tempa. What's it?
Nyaigo.
What's cool we am? Do you stay in this town?
I get it.
Okay. Alright. So thank you very much. Alright. We are going to Hohoi. We will see you later. Alright. Have a nice day. Alright. Alright. Bye. So goodbye. Oh God. So I don't know whether if you can see she's been doing this begging money. Let's go. Begging money. Okay, bye. Oh God. Let's go.